Lord Buddha has broken all the parts of the body up to the smallest part with his own wisdom. That means Lord Buddha has broken the eye up to the smallest part of the eye with his wisdom. Like that, all parts of the human body are broken by the Lord Buddha up to the smallest particle. Dear ones, it is a wonder. The smallest part of the all organs is a similar one. That means the smallest unit of the every part of the body is common. So there is a common basic arranging unit to the whole universe. Let's study that smallest unit with the Buddhist philosophy. After breaking the whole human body to its smallest parts, Lord Buddha has found a specific unit, a specific zone at the end with his own wisdom. That unit possesses energies, actions and vibrations. Lord Buddha, who studied those energies and vibrations with his wisdom, found that there are 4 characteristics or 4 qualities inside this smallest unit. Lord Buddha has given names for those characteristics or qualities. So, Lord Buddha found the smallest unit of the human body, and then he found specific qualities which can be seen inside that smallest unit. They are energies and vibrations. Lord Buddha gave names only for the easiness of study to those energies. But absolutely, there are energies and vibrations inside that smallest unit. They are not conventions. They are ultimate qualities. Lord Buddha has preached that there are 4 characteristics or 4 qualities inside the smallest unit as I mentioned above. They cannot be taken out one by one as they have packed and have mixed with each other inside the smallest unit. Lord Buddha has given a name to this zone which includes energies and vibrations. That name is the material group. So, the smallest unit of the matter is the material group. But this is only a name, only a convention. Exactly, it is a combination of 4 qualities or 4 characteristics. The word quality or the characteristic is very important because it is not only a word, it is a nature, it is an absolute truth. But to explain those characteristics or qualities to the society, Lord Buddha has used 4 names which are suitable to indicate those qualities. But that names are not absolute truths. It does not include the real feature. It is only a convention. Let's talk about those qualities. One quality is the hardness or the softness. It is not a name. It is a natural energy. Lord Buddha has used a name as Patavi Dhatu or as the earth element to describe that softness and the hardness. Earth element is only a name for that quality. Hardness or the softness is the quality. That means with the word earth element, the quality of the hardness or the softness comes. So like that, there are 4 characteristics or qualities inside this material group. They are not names, they are energies and vibrations. I want to emphasize that. So, we can't break the earth element to another small particles. Therefore, that earth element is an absolute truth. But we should remember that the earth element is only a name and the earth element does not give the hardness. Because of the hardness quality, the name earth element comes. You should remember this fact thoroughly. The other quality is the trickling or the oozing. It is known as Apo Dhatu or as the water element. So, the water element is not giving the trickling or the oozing quality. The trickling or oozing nature is the water element or Apo Dhatu. So, the water element is not giving the trickling or the oozing quality. Trickling or the oozing nature is the water element or Apo Dhatu. There are 2 more characteristics or qualities in a material group. With conventional names, they are fire element or tejo dhatu and the air element or vayu dhatu. The ultimate quality of the fire element or tejo dhatu is cold and the heat, and the ultimate quality of the air element is the distension or the puffing up quality. So now you have come to know that there are 4 qualities inside a material group. They are the hardness or the softness quality, the trickling or the oozing quality, the heat or the cold, and the distension. With the conventional names, they are earth element, water element, fire element, and the air element. Speciality is we can't break up these qualities to another small particles. So they are ultimate realities. Therefore, we can call them as elements. So Lord Buddha found that the smallest unit of the all parts as the material group. Can you remember that I said when I was discussing about the bunch of grapes that the bunch of grapes is a fabrication or an unreal one? But I said that the grape is truth. So like that bunch, the human body is a convention. But the material group is an ultimate truth. Dear ones, when we break that convention step by step, then we will be able to get ultimate truth or reality. We will discuss about ultimate realities later on. Lord Buddha has preached that if the above mentioned 4 qualities were born anywhere, another 4 qualities will be arise with them. That means with the birth of the earth element, the water element, the fire element, and the air element, another 4 qualities arise. The earth element, the water element, the fire element, and the air element are known as great essentials, or in Pali as Mahabhuta. The other 4 qualities which come out with those Mahabhuta are called as derivatives, or in Pali as Upadharupa. The derivatives also arise together with those great essentials. I should emphasize that Lord Buddha has preached that the birth of above mentioned 8 qualities take place together. It does not take place after one by one. That means we can't get out the earth element only from a material group. If we get out the earth element, then the other 7 qualities also come out. The material group is an inseparable mixture of above mentioned 8 qualities, can't be separated by any force. Okay, let's memorize them briefly. Human body can be divided into 2 parts. They are the mind and the matter. When we consider the matter, the smallest unit of the matter is the material group. It contains ultimate 8 qualities which are always born together. We can't divide them again to another small particles. Because of that, they are known as ultimate qualities. 4 of them are great essentials and the other 4 are the derivatives. What are the great essentials? The earth element, the water element, the fire element, and the air element. What are the derivatives of matter? In number, there are 24 derivatives of the matter. But in a material group, there are only 4 derivatives only. What are they? The visible object or the form or the color, the smell, the taste, and the nutritive essence that keeps those 4 main qualities intact. But we should realize that the Lord Buddha gave those names only for the easiness of studying this Dhamma. If not, all of these names belong to the mundane conventional world. These names are not essential to become to the supermundane position. But this knowledge is important us to reach that noble position. At last, we should remove all these conventions and should reach the supermundane position. So dear ones, after understanding those facts with his own wisdom, Lord Buddha checked whether own present body contains those material groups, and he checked whether the present bodies of all living beings have made of these material groups. Lord Buddha understood that the all bodies of all living beings have made of these material groups in the present moment. Lord Buddha checked whether the bodies of all living beings had been made of these material groups in the past. Lord Buddha understood that the all bodies of all living beings had been arranged of these material groups in the past. As well as Lord Buddha checked whether the all bodies of all living beings will be arranged of these material groups in the future, and he understood that will occur. Therefore, the omniscient Lord Buddha preached that the smallest group of the matter is this material group during the 3 periods of the time. And Lord Buddha preached that there are only energies and vibrations inside this material group. There are no physical things which can be tangible or touchable inside this material group. As this material group consists of 8 qualities, Lord Buddha has named it as pure octet. The most accurate word for the material group is the pure octet, as it describes the real nature of the material group. Okay, now we got a simple understanding about the system of our human body according to the Buddha's philosophy.